Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run down how I got a new window installed in my truck in like an hour for like under $1. The first step was to get the old, see I broke it, I locked everything in my truck, and it locks by itself because it's haunted. So I put this washer underneath this thing so it won't lock itself anymore. But like this truck is seriously haunted. It does stuff like that. It's weird. But anyway, what I did is I went ahead and I just used plexiglass to replace it. And the hard part was actually there's like brackets over here, 2 of them, and they're on there with some serious steel rivets. And the way I got those off was with a grinder. Was the fastest way I could accomplish that goal. But that was the hard part of that. And then what happens is you have a flat area here. Then what I did is I took a piece of cardboard, kept cutting it down until it was the right size that I wanted, and then I just used that as a stencil and put it on the piece of plexiglass, and then drew around it, and then I cut the plexiglass with I just used a nice jigsaw to cut this plexiglass, which isn't ideal, but it worked really good. And another problem I ran into was I tried to use these real small screws first with a small shank, and since they're stainless, and they're just sheet metal screws, but since they're stainless and soft metal and what have you, the freaking heads kept popping off. But I mean, I did manage to get it with those 2 middle ones. But what I ended up doing, and that one, what I ended up doing was getting larger shank and larger screws, but they're pretty short. They're only like that. And because there's a nice piece of steel under there, and what I did is, I lined everything up and pre-drilled all the holes, and then put the screws in. And then what I did after that is I hit everything with some Flex Seal, like the stuff that's in a can. And of course, this isn't the best looking way to do this, but it does work. And on the inside you have some protruding plastic that comes out, and I cut that back very rudimentary. I'm not taking this truck to a car show anytime soon, even though it would win if I did, because it's awesome. But anyway, that's a quick, easy, cheap way to replace a window in your truck or any other window that is stationary and static. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.